Happy day, my dear kids. Hope you all understood the concept of types of angles. Today also we are going to see about angles. Listen carefully, children.
Identify the angles. Now we are going to identify the angles from the given object. Before going to see the objects, we have to look what we are going to write. Look at the given objects and identify the marked angles. Write the types of angles in the boxes provided. Write A if they are acute. Write it as O if they are obtuse, and write it as S if they are straight. I explained the first two objects, remaining you have to do it by yourself, children. Look at here, two tables are attached together. Now there is a red curve drawn between the two tables. You have to find the angle formed over here. It starts from 0 degree. You have to go in anti-clockwise and it ends up to 180 degree, which means if it is a straight line with starting point as 0 degree and ending point as 180 degree, straight line with the half circle. Straight line with the half circle is called semicircle, which forms obtuse angle. So you have to write here as yes. You have to write here as yes. Look at the next picture. Here between V an angle is formed. It shows acute angle. The angle formed between is less than 90 degrees. So the angle formed here is acute angle. So you have to write here as A for acute. As we have done for the previous two objects, you have to find the angle which is given in a red color curve. Here what angle is formed? You have to write the answer over here. For this, you have to write the answer in this box. As same as like this, you have to find angles for all the four objects. Hope you all understood. In the companion book, we have to circle the shapes that will look the same after a half turn. Half turn means straight line. Circle the shapes that will look the same after a half turn, which means if a triangle is given, again the same triangle in inverted form, we will get half turn. Is it in a half turn position? No, because we have only one triangle. There is no inverted image of this triangle, so this is not a half turn. Here also we have a exclamatory mark. There is no image of this below it or aside of it, so it is not a half turn. Here, look at here. An arrow mark is denoted with two lines. The inverted image is given in opposite side, so this is a half turn. In this image, a rhombus part is given. The inverted image is given below, so this occupies a half turn for this image. For this also we have a small triangle which has a inverted image, so it occupies half turn. Hope you are clear. So you have to circle it which shape that will look the same after a half turn. Same means repetition. So for an image we should get an inverted image on opposite side, then it shows a half turn. Okay, children?
Hope you all understood what to do in My Studio Book and companion book. Watch the video completely, then only you can able to do your homeworks in these 2 pages. If you want to see the videos of chapter 3, subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos from playlist of this channel. Thank you my dear kids.